Welcome to today's video about 10 foods that relieves joint pain. Do you suffer from joint pain?
You're not alone.
Millions of people around the world experience discomfort, inflammation, and stiffness in their joints every day.
But what if I told you that there are certain foods that can help alleviate your joint pain?
That's right. What you eat can make a big difference in how you feel. In this video, we're going to share with you 10 foods that are proven to relieve joint pain. And the best part is, they're delicious too. From powerful spices to calming green tea, these unique foods are packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain, swelling, and stiffness in your joints. So if you're tired of living with joint pain, it's time to take matters into your own hand. Join us as we explore the top 10 foods that can help you find relief and get back to feeling your best. Are you ready to say goodbye to joint pain?
Let's get started.
Before we dive into today's topic, I'd like to take a moment to ask for your support. If you're enjoying our content and finding it helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll help us reach more people and continue to create valuable videos like this one.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.
Thank you for your support. Now, let's start our countdown with number 1, poultry broth. Poultry broth is a great source of collagen, which is an essential component of cartilage and helps to keep joints healthy.
When we consume collagen, it can help to reduce joint pain and inflammation.
Additionally, poultry broth contains glucosamine and chondroitin, which are also beneficial for joint health and can help to reduce pain and stiffness. In fact, a recent study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2021 found that consuming collagen-rich broth led to a significant reduction in joint pain and stiffness in study participants with osteoarthritis.
The study also found that the broth helped to improve joint mobility and overall quality of life. Moreover, a study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition in 2019 found that the antioxidants in vegetables like onions, carrots, turnips, or celery that are often added to broth can also help to reduce inflammation and relieve joint pain.
It not only comforts in catarrhal states, but also relieves the symptoms.
So, adding poultry broth to your diet can definitely help to relieve joint pain and improve overall joint health.
And it's also a tasty and nutritious addition to any meal.
Next, number 2, cherries. Cherries are a delicious fruit that have been found to contain natural compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body.
Its red color is due to anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action found in red, blue, and purple fruit. Recent scientific research has shown that drinking 2 glasses of cherry juice a day can help reduce osteoarthritis pain. A study published in the journal Osteoarthritis and Cartilage in 2021 found that
consuming cherry juice for 6 weeks significantly reduced knee osteoarthritis pain and improved physical function in participants.
Cherries have also been found to be effective in combating muscle pain after playing sports. A study published in the journal Medicine and Science and Sports and Exercise in 2020 found that consuming cherry juice before and after strenuous exercise helped to reduce muscle soreness and improve muscle strength recovery.
So, if you suffer from joint pain or are an active person who experiences muscle soreness after exercise,
adding cherries or cherry juice to your diet could potentially provide some relief.
Next, number 3, pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that is not only delicious, but also offers numerous health benefits.
One of its most impressive benefits is its ability to relieve joint pain.
Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties.
Bromelain is a mixture of proteolytic enzymes that helps break down protein molecules and reduces inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that bromelain can reduce pain and swelling in people with arthritis and osteoarthritis. In a 2021 study published in the journal Nutrients, researchers found that bromelain can help reduce joint pain and stiffness in people with knee osteoarthritis. The study showed that participants who took bromelain supplements experienced a significant reduction in pain and stiffness compared to those who took a placebo. Furthermore, bromelain's anti-pain action is due to its ability to inhibit prostaglandins, which are the cause of inflammation in the body. Its action is more than proven to combat sinusitis, reduces inflammation and pain in the sinuses, as well as pain in carpal tunnel syndrome. So, if you suffer from joint pain or inflammation, consider adding some fresh or canned pineapple to your diet or taking a bromelain supplement to experience its benefit. Next, number 4, grenade. Grenade, also known as pomegranate, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve joint pain. Recent scientific studies have shown that cold-pressed extracts from the seeds of this fruit can slow down the action of enzymes that promote inflammation, making it an effective natural remedy for arthritis sufferers.
In fact, a study published in the Israel Medical Association journal found that grenade helps to reduce joint pain in arthritis sufferers.
Another study from the University of Texas found that antioxidant substances called alleviate,
which are found in pomegranate juice, can reduce muscle aches.
It's important to note that the greatest antioxidant potential of pomegranate is in its skin and not in the seeds, so it's best to take it in juice form.
To do this, simply squeeze it like an orange, including a portion of the skin.
In conclusion, incorporating grenade or pomegranate juice into your diet may help alleviate joint pain and muscle aches. The antioxidant properties of this fruit can also provide a range of other health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and boosting the immune system. Next, number 5, oranges.
Oranges are known for their delicious taste and numerous health benefits, including their ability to relieve joint pain.
Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help fight cell oxidation and reduce inflammation in the body.
Additionally, oranges also contain naringenin and hesperidin, which are flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory properties. Recent scientific research has also found that consuming oranges can help reduce the risk of arthritis.
In a study conducted in 2020, it was found that taking less than 40 microgram per day of the beta-cryptoxanthin carotenoid increases the risk of developing arthritis.
Luckily, by eating just 1 orange a day, you can easily exceed this amount and help prevent joint pain and inflammation.
So if you're looking for a natural way to alleviate joint pain, consider adding oranges to your diet.
Not only are they a delicious and convenient snack,
but they also provide numerous health benefits that can help keep your body healthy and pain-free.
Next, number 6, turmeric.
Turmeric is a well-known spice used in many culinary dishes, particularly in curries. This component of the curry is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic, making it an effective natural remedy for relieving joint pain. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have a range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation in the body. According to recent scientific research, taking a daily dose of 200 milligrams of curcumin
has been found to significantly reduce joint pain in people with osteoarthritis.
In a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2020, researchers found that curcumin supplementation improved joint pain, stiffness, and physical function in participants with knee osteoarthritis.
Another study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2021 found that curcumin supplementation reduced joint pain and stiffness in patients with rheumatoid arthritis.
So, turmeric and its active component, curcumin, have been found to be effective in reducing joint pain and inflammation. Incorporating turmeric into your diet or taking a curcumin supplement may be a natural and safe way to alleviate joint pain. Next, number 7, ginger.
Ginger, a root herb widely used in cooking, has been found to have many health benefits, including its ability to relieve joint pain.
In addition to its digestive properties, ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory that has been found to effectively reduce muscle, joint, and even headache pain. This is due to its high content of gingerols and shogols, which are bioactive compounds with anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2020, ginger extract was found to significantly reduce knee pain and improve physical function in patients with osteoarthritis, a degenerative joint disease.
Another study published in the Journal of Pain in 2015 found that ginger was effective in reducing muscle pain induced by exercise.
So, ginger can be a useful natural remedy for those experiencing joint pain, as it has been found to be both safe and effective in numerous scientific studies.
It can be consumed in various forms, such as ginger tea capsules or added to meals as a spice.
Next, number 8, chili. Chili peppers are known for their spicy flavor, but did you know that they can also help relieve joint pain?
The capsaicin found in chili peppers has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce swelling and pain in joints.
Capsaicin is known to interfere with substance P, a neurotransmitter that sends pain signals to the brain, which can help to reduce the sensation of pain. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Pain Research found that topical application of capsaicin was effective in reducing pain and improving physical function in patients with knee osteoarthritis. Another study from 2020, published in the Journal of Medicinal Food,
Found that consuming chili peppers was associated with a lower risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis.
Chili peppers also promote the production of endorphins, which are natural painkillers produced by the body. This can further reduce the sensation of pain and help to improve mood.
Next, number 9, green tea. Green tea has been widely known for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to help relieve joint pain.
Recent scientific research has confirmed that green tea contains a powerful polyphenol known as epigallocatechin gallate, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain associated with various disorders such as spinal cord injuries, low back pain, and sciatica.
Researchers from the University of Girona conducted a study on the effects of EGCG on joint pain and inflammation. Their findings suggest that EGCG can help to reduce the pain
associated with arthritis by blocking certain inflammatory pathways in the body.
Additionally, EGCG has been shown to inhibit the production of certain enzymes that are responsible for joint damage and inflammation.
So, incorporating green tea into your daily diet can help to alleviate joint pain and inflammation. Next, number 10, olive oil. Olive oil has been used for centuries for its health benefits, including its ability to relieve joint pain. One of the key reasons for this is that olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties. A recent study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that a Mediterranean-style diet, which includes olive oil as a key component, was associated with lower levels of joint pain and better joint function in older adults. The researchers suggest that the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil may be one reason for this association.
Another study published in the Journal of Oleoscience found that
oleocanthal in olive oil can inhibit the activity of COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes, which are responsible for producing pro-inflammatory compounds in the body. This suggests that oleocanthal may be a natural alternative to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs for relieving joint pain.
So, the evidence suggests that olive oil, and in particular its compound oleocanthal,
may be a useful tool in managing joint pain and improving joint function. And that's it for our video on 10 foods that can help relieve joint pain. We hope you found this information helpful and that you learned something new. Remember, making small changes to your diet can make a big difference in how you feel. So, next time you're at the grocery store, why not pick up some of these anti-inflammatory foods and give them a try? And if you have any other tips or foods that have worked for you, please share them with us in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.